Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. Let's try to digest this wild cattle market we've got going on, and probably getting a little hole in my knee from praying that it'll hold. It's been on a free fall, $40 lower on the feeders, on the board, and significant break in the cash cattle as well. And as fast as this break happened, it just started to snowball. You've got a market that has low open interest. Funds have liquidated longs. So there really wasn't anybody here to try to hold it, to try to turn it around. And trying to find some steady ground. So after two sharp legs lower, we finish a Thursday with a little bit of recovery ahead of a cattle on feed report that's coming out Friday. So that's going to be pretty important. There's a lot of talk that maybe we're going to see some friendly placements, but part of this little boost, could be some of the short covering that's happening ahead of the report. Kind of feel like that can happen. If you listen to the live cattle cash sales, yeah, they're drifting. We're still mid to 80s, upper 180s, some lower 180s in the south. And the packer will play his fiddle like, oh man, we just can't sell this beef, and they can only buy 500. So they're really playing the song and dance, and they're overplaying it. I do think that they still want some cattle, and we're hoping this cattle on feed report says, hey, numbers are tight, and we can try to go back to some of that fundamental. But you get some of these markets on the run that can do quite a bit of damage, and we're quickly running for hedges and running for protection, and that's part of that snowball effect. Now when we look at these long-term charts, you don't have to be a chart guy for me to maybe explain this, but from the COVID lows down there at the 90-cent range all the way up to these highs, there's a nice little line that's drawn underneath all of those lows, and it's been on, and we just don't want to break that trend line, and we're getting ever so close. Here when we turn into the next month, and October is the lead dog, we could do some damage there, so we're watching that close. But everybody's a little bit dizzy. It seems like everybody got bearish overnight. We were all pretty friendly, and then we all had to switch to negative. And maybe it's just a little bit of a trap. Maybe all of these quick hedges are going to get trapped. I just personally don't have the confidence in that. Still feeling like we're on a rocky slope. We're going to need to see this open interest number jump. We need some funds. We need some longs in the market. So a lot for you to chew on. We'll know more after the cattle on feed report. Give us a call. Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. The risk of loss in trading futures and/or options is substantial.